Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be a monthly listener on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to be a monthly listener on Spotify, in order to access the complete listening experience, it's better to get a premium subscription plan. So you can purchase a premium plan of Spotify in order to become a monthly listener. If you are on a free account, you'll see the Get Premium Plan option at the bottom right corner. But I've already purchased the premium plan, so I'll go to my profile, tap on Settings, and select this account option. As you can see, I purchased the monthly subscription of Spotify Premium. So I'll tap on it. So my plan includes various features. So if you want to be a monthly listener, you'll get all these benefits by purchasing the premium plan. There are other plans too. You can tap on the See Plans options and there are different purchase plans. You can select the plan that is applicable for you and you can also check out all the benefits that you can get after purchasing the plan. So you can select accordingly. So that's how you can easily become monthly listeners on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.